thing we will see today. Right. So you can see here the only 3 units we already know, that computational thinking and programming 2 based on Python. Then second unit computer networks, third unit database management. Okay, but now they given for term one full of Python alone. Okay, term one fully Python. First unit alone. No need to worry for the second unit or third unit for the first term exam. Okay, then the second term, you see the remaining only one chapter will be included from the unit 1 and the entire unit 2 and the entire unit 3 for second term. Okay, so that what is the chapter that included in the term 2 from the unit 1 means that is a data structure, but we are having some reduction of syllabus. Okay, so before that I will show you one more thing. The term 1 you are having only 50 marks. So out of that 35 marks theory, then 15 marks practical. Okay, so you are going to write 2 times test, both theory and both practical for 2 times. Okay, so again term 2, 35 marks theory and 15 marks practical. So you will get totally 50 plus 50 and finally you will get 100. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So kindly, if there is any doubt, kindly discuss with the same time. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask me at the same time. Theory and practical. Okay. Then the reduction of syllabus we are going to see now. So regarding unit one, the term one. Okay, term one fully unit one, but with that, see the first 2 chapters are revision tour. Okay, 2 chapters here. Revision tour one, revision tour two. Okay, 2 chapters, no changes. We are going to study that whatever we discussed in the class 11 that is included in the revision tool. Okay, then next chapter is function. The third chapter is function. Then fourth chapter and the final of the term one, file handling. Okay, the fourth chapter. So totally term one consists of 4 chapters. Okay, only 4. Revision tour 1, revision tour 2, functions third chapter, fourth one file handling. Okay, students understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can see now that recursion, Python library, and one more chapter, that idea of algorithmic efficiency. 3 chapters deleted. Okay. In the 3, we already completed recursion and library, but now kindly omit those 2 chapters. They are reduced, they are deleted those chapters from your syllabus. Okay. So
Yes.
kindly note down these things. Only 4 chapters for term 1, and the only remaining chapter in the unit 1 is data structure, that they are included in the term 2. Okay, then unit 2 we already know 3 chapters, that is up to this first chapter, then network protocol second chapter, web services third chapter. Okay, so here we have 3 chapters in networks, and SQL also 3 chapters. Okay, that database concepts, SQL commands, and the interface Python with the SQL, 3 chapters. So totally 3 plus 3 plus 1. Totally we will have 7 chapters for term 2. Okay, term 2 have 7 chapters. So before the deletion we had 14 chapters. Okay, but now only 11 chapters. 3 chapters are deleted. So 11 chapters. In that only 4 chapters for term 1, 7 chapters for term 2. Okay, so this is actually the same weightage we have to consider. Then in data structure, one small change is there. That is previously they given 2 topics, stack and queue. Okay, stack and queue. But for the last year students, they have given some choice like that. Okay, they may choose either stack or queue. Okay, depending upon their interest, they can choose either stack or queue. But for your uh, syllabus, they deleted the queue also. Only one thing, stack. That's all. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the thing. So kindly note down for term 1 and term 2. This is only for theory concepts. Then practical also. So whatever we are discussing in the Python concepts, that will be included in the practical also. Term 1, you should consider the programs of term 1 syllabus. Okay. So you see here. So this is the term 1 split up of marks. Term 1, term 2. Okay. Term 2 on term 1 15, term 2 15. Okay. So see here, term 1, you have to produce a record with minimum 15 programs based on term 1 syllabus. Okay, that is revision tour 1, revision tour 2, then functions and file handling. Okay, 15 programs, that's all. Then term 2, again, you should produce a record with 3 Python programs and 5 SQL table related things, then 2 Python SQL connectivity program. Okay, so totally 10 programs. Understood? We are not having practicals in networks, so kindly consider Python and SQL. Students understood?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts
Yes,
up to
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And you should also do the project work. For the first term, you should provide the synopsis. That is, what is the project title, what you are going to do. That's all. They need some theory concept. That is unlike abstract. What you are going to do, that you have to tell in the first term. Second term only, you are going to provide the programming code, the executable code. That is a project. Okay, so along with the documentation, you should provide the coding. Okay, you can choose Python or SQL with Python, not SQL alone. Students understood? Your project must contain Python with SQL or fully Python. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
about Python. This is a split up of mark also. So kindly note down these things. And they have provided some suggested programs for practical. So at least we should know these things. Along with that, we will have some lot of programs. Okay. So like see the first term 1, read a text line, a text file line by line, and display each word separated by hashtag. And read a text file and display number of vowels, consonants, uppercase, lowercase characters, like that. So everything we will see in the file handling. Okay. So they given everything in the file handling, but our record will include the programs with file handling, functions, and revision tour concepts. That is a control statements, string related program, list related program, tuple, dictionary, modules. Okay, understood, pa? Everyone? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
suggested practical for term
Yes,
one,
sir.
and this is a term two programs. Okay, so term term the Python included topic is stack. So only one program they given. Write a Python program to implement stack using list. Okay, then database related thing. So here is one mistake they did. I will show you the database related thing. They included something here, but the same thing they again they reprinted. Okay, same thing. So don't consider about this. This is a reprinted content. Only take this one. So alter table, update table, a lot of commands, and the finally integrate SQL with the Python. Okay. So everything we are going to include in our project and record. Understood, pa? Everyone?
Yes.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
about the new syllabus. Okay. So kindly note down and inform to your friends. That is the very most important thing. No need to study the recursion topic, library, or other things. Okay. So kindly update it with your latest syllabus. So like this, every subject have updated. So kindly note down all the things. And you know the term 1 will be MCQ based one. Okay, so now I will show you with the entire syllabus. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So this
sir.
is yes. So this is a thing. Okay. So term 1, we are having 4 chapters. Okay. So 4 chapters. So collectively we completed 90% of term 1 syllabus. Okay. So we started file handling and we completed 20%. Okay. Only remaining some concepts are there, so that we will start from the Monday. Okay, first our ultimate aim is to complete the term 1 syllabus, and we have to practice something and collect all kind of questions, everything. Okay, then term 2 also we completed 90% of syllabus, only data structure is remaining. Okay, we almost completed everything. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you
Yes.
want,
Yes,
you
sir.
can take the screenshot of this, keep it with you. This is the only 11 chapters that above this color is for term 1, this blue color is for term 2. Okay, 4 chapters for term 1, 7 chapters for term 2. Okay, that's all. This is the final, so kindly note it. And this is for I am waiting. Okay, that is what I didn't provide any MCQ based things or any final things I didn't provide. Okay, I already shared many things with you, but now I had some idea, so I'm going to provide these related things. So kindly see. So what are the things I'm going to provide is I'm going to provide a Google Drive folder. In that I'm going to keep a chapter wise ebook material. Okay. So for function means I will provide a ebook material for function. Like that a chapter wise material. Then MCQ, a collection of MCQ will be a chapter wise there. Then question bank. This is a descriptive question bank. Okay. Theory questions are program based or whatever. That 2 mark, 3 mark, 4, 5 mark questions will be present inside it. Okay. Question bank. Then programs. So regarding this Python and the last one, interfaces, MySQL with Python, we are having a lot of programs. So their programs will be collectively we give inside that folder. Okay. Program folder. Then the next thing is cheat sheet. That is like a mind map. Okay. For example, if you take any chapter, for example, network protocols means in this within a single page, I will try to give the entire information. Okay. What are the different kind of protocols? What is the usage? Where we have to use which protocol, like that. Everything I will provide within a single page. That will help you to quick revision. Okay. Then the last folder is I'm going to provide any extra material if you need. Okay. That is, if I like to give any extra material, I will provide in that extra material folder. Okay. Students understood? Is any other thing you
Yes.
need, pa? Any other I missed or any other thing you need apart from this?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
So I think this is enough, more than enough for you. So kindly do the practice, then only it will help you to understand all the concepts. And I already told you, definitely this Python will help you for your future. And after completion of syllabus, I will try to give the importance of Python in the real life. What actually they are doing in the software industry. Okay, not only in software industry. So see, a lot of things are there. You are using the e-commerce now, so e-commerce also developing by the Python. Okay, they are having a lot of things. So kindly uh, do surf with the internet. Okay, whatever the concepts you just give along with the Python. Okay, so whatever the thing you do with Python, definitely the Python is implementing everywhere. They are integrating Python with all the concepts. Okay, so gaming, web development, e-commerce, all the things. Okay, students, any other doubts regarding this syllabus and the material providing, or any other consideration, anything you want to discuss? You can discuss now, students. Boys,
So
girls,
this is enough, sir.
what more?
So what you're providing is more than enough, sir.
Okay, good. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts in that latest syllabus? Anything I missed means kindly ask me.
So once again, can you tell the deleted portions alone, sir, for term 1?
Okay, so now you are having this screen, no? So what are the deleted portion means? Okay, I will show you this one. Then you can easily understand. See, so this is the previous one. You can see here recursion, library, idea of algorithmic efficiency. Okay, so these are the 14 chapters.
Yes.
Okay, now you can easily understand. Okay, so recursion deleted, Python using libraries deleted, and then idea of algorithm we didn't start this one, but this is also deleted due to
Yes, sir.
pandemic only, no other reasons. Okay, so now you got idea. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. What about
No,
others,
sir.
ma? Amrita, Brinda, Madhushri, Subhi, Pravi. Any doubts? Mean ask me.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. So much tired in your voice. Right. Good. So now we will go to straight away the program. So this is not actually mm, in the syllabus, but we are going to see some additional thing. What are the additional thing we are going to see in a program? Okay. Some entertaining. So I will try to explain something newly. So kindly listen. So everyone noted all the things. Students in your class work note can note
Yes,
down the
Yes, sir.
syllabus related things.
Yes, sir.
Split of marks, term one, term two. So kindly convey this information to your parents also. Okay, that is very much important. Okay. So if you are coming to school means one teacher is enough. But now every parent will turning to be a teacher. They are helping you. So kindly treat your parents as a teachers. Okay, so kindly get the help from them, inform everything to them. Don't wait until they are asking. Okay, so you can uh, inform to them. Okay, any other
yes, sir.
doubts from your parents also, you can ask me anytime. Don't wait. One second. So we saw some that pattern kind of program. There are other ideas also there. Okay, how to do the pattern. Okay, very simple ideas, but actually this is out of syllabus. Okay, that is like if they want to mention nested for loop means you have to use that method only. Okay, don't go for this shortcut method. This is only for motivating you. So okay, so kindly get motivated, and there are a lot of things in the Python. Try to do something differently. Okay, whatever you know in the Python, so kindly combine it and do it. Okay, is the screen visible?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, once again. Is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are different kind of patterns are there. So I'm going to display those patterns. Straight away I will give the program. Uh, so kindly uh, execute logically and try to predict the output. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. It taking a lot of time. Okay, so it's not opening. So I'm going to execute. Sorry, I'm going to type the program. Is the screen visible, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is a program I'm going to use. So kindly predict this output. Okay. So inside I'm going to use another for loop. Okay. If I equal to or j equal to n minus 1 minus I. Okay. Then if satisfied means we have to print the constant star. Okay, I'm going to print something using star, but you have to predict what I'm going to print. If it not satisfied means we are going to give the coding for else case. I'm going to print space. Okay, if it's satisfied means it will print a star, otherwise simply a single space. Okay, and equal to this one. Then after that I'm going to print a simple new line. Okay, so this is the program, students. I will give you 2 minutes. So do some rough work and tell me what will be the output. Students, students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Any idea, students? What will be the output? This thing going to print some pattern. Students, any idea? Okay, shall we execute, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is going to print the pattern X. Okay, letter X. So it see there is a 272 steps are there. So I am going to execute the last step. Okay, I am straight away going for the last step. So kindly listen. Then only we'll get some idea. Okay, so you just to see the output and you can execute line by line. Understood, students? The output.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So whenever I equal to j, that is a zeroth row, zeroth column, then it will print the star. Okay. So here, what is the maximum length is? Length means uh, that is a column. You can see here that the maximum we got only two stars, but you see there are a lot of star spaces are there. So first you have to count the spaces. That is a column value that is we given in the j. Okay, that is a 9, and from the top to bottom, that is a row, that is also 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9. So we are using this, and by using the conditions we are printing the star. Okay, so like this we can give any condition to print any alphabets. Okay, a b, like that. Okay, so kindly note down this. This is one way, and next another way I will show you now to print other. Students noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the next coding. So yeah, this is the coding, entire coding. So everywhere I given one space. There is one line. Okay, I'm going to delete. So this is another way for printing the name alphabets only. Okay, so if any possible, kindly check and predict the output, students. So I am straight away using row value and a column value. Okay, not like ij, 7 rows and 5 column. Okay, so I am going to print another alphabet. Okay, it may be any, but try to predict this, students. Anybody? Anyone predicted, students? Or shall I execute?
So this is also similar to the last one what we have done.
It maybe looks like same, but this is different. Okay, so I will execute. So straight away I will go for the last one. See, what is the character? It displaying the pattern A. Okay, so like this you can print any alphabets. Okay, so you have to think. So just what you are writing in the four ruled note, right? How to write A, B, C in the lower classes. That you have to do now. and calculate the number of columns and rows and implement those ideas inside the program. Okay, so here I implemented nested for loop, and inside that I included if else. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So this is one way. Kindly note down. These are some other ideas. Okay, so by using that you can play. Okay, you can whatever you need you can play and try to get any letters. Okay, so simply you can draw anything in your note. Try to get that pattern in by using the program. Okay, that is the idea. That is the thinking. So that is a possible only. Whatever you are doing, that can be do by program also. Okay. So actually there are a lot of libraries are there. Libraries means that we explained now that library concept. Actually that is a very much small, but actually libraries are very big. Python contains a lot of things. Okay, by using those libraries only, they are creating a lot of applications, websites, games, everything. Okay, so if you're having interest means so kindly self learn something related to Python. Okay, if you need anything or any resources, kindly ask me. I will give you all the websites and everything. Okay, what are the ways to study these things? Okay, these are beyond our syllabus, but definitely this will change your future. Okay, so next on simple coding to print the half pyramid. Okay, half pyramid you already know how to do that. So half pyramid, students, nothing but this is the pattern. You know already what is the coding. Okay, you see here, this is the pattern we want to print. What actually do students? We are using nested for loop, right?
Yes, sir.
For I in range, so it incrementing from 1 to 5, so we have to give 1 to 6. And in the inside for j in range, this is to specify what is the value we are going to print every line. So that
One.
is a 1 comma I plus 1, otherwise you can give 0 comma I. Okay, that's it. I think is that right?
Print statement is by giving print statement, then updating is equal to.
Yes, that's right only. Okay, so we can directly print the star. Okay, this is the normal program we are using, but I'm going to give the alternate one. Okay, so after the end of inner loop, we are going to print the new line, that is by using slash r. Okay, so this is the thing we are going to use. So I'm going to delete this pattern, students. So after executing, we will get that particular output. Okay, this is the half from it. Okay, but actually the different method is there. We already know the string replication. What is a replication, students? Students, what is a replication?
Multiplying.
Yes, multiply.
So once
Okay,
again show the output, sir.
yeah, I will show that.
So,
Yeah, this is the output. First line 1 star, second line 2 stars, like that. Fifth line 5 stars. So if you change the value of 6 to 10 means you will get to 10 rows, and 10th row will be 10 stars. Okay, you can include, you can increase that. That is the number of rows will be the number of stars present in that particular row. Okay. The another method, noted ma?
yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone
Yes,
noted,
sir.
students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to show the next method. So without these three steps, directly I'm going to use the replication star, that is a constant. Now this star is used for multiplication. Okay, I'm using I value straight away. Okay, so I, if you use here means it will multiply, that is a star into I, that is a one. First time star will be printed for one time, then second time star will be printed for two times, then the three times, four times, five times, like that. So we will get the required output. See here, understood? Very simple coding. But this is a thinking ability. Okay, so no need to that much coding, because this is the advantage of Python. Okay, we can execute any program with a very simple coding. We can't do this like a simple coding in any other programming language. Okay, and I already told you many times there is no one solution for one program. Okay, so kindly do differently, but actually which one is the efficient one, that is the main thing. Actually, that is the concept chapter they deleted all idea of algorithmic efficiency. Okay, I have planned to discuss a lot of things in that chapter, but unfortunately they deleted. That tells you, if suppose one program has five different ways to solve means, we can calculate which one is the efficient one. Okay, that is by using a time, how much time it will take you to execute and gives a particular output. Okay, that is the efficiency. And the complexity is also there. Okay, how complex is that particular solution? Okay, this is a simple coding everyone can easily understand. If you understand the for loop and the replication, everyone can easily understand. Okay, understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is the easiest way, so kindly note down this also, but kindly don't use this method in the exam. Okay, this is your additional knowledge I am providing you. So kindly get motivated, there are a lot of things. Don't think that the Python is a very small. Okay, that is very very dangerous thing. So don't think like that. Python is the very biggest language. Okay, we are going to complete only the 10 percentage in 11th and 12th standard. Okay, there are a lot of things available, and if you have some time you can easily complete one library per 1 week. Okay, that much libraries are there, that will take you 1 year to learn. Okay, that much libraries are there in the Python. Okay, but everything is easy. So whatever you are doing in the real life, everything will be uh, solved by the Python programs. Okay, definitely, as you are a commerce students, you will use a lot of things. Okay, that e-commerce things, charts, everything. Okay, that mathematical calculations, everything will be done by the Python programs. Okay, so kindly get some idea, knowledge, and if there is any help, you can ask me.